In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Chrome extensions in the Firefox browser. Before we dive in, if you want to safely browse and avoid any risks while downloading or installing extensions from the web, I recommend using NordVPN. It keeps your connection private and encrypted, so you can safely access sites and add-ons without exposing your data. You can use the link in the description to try it risk-free at a great price. First, open your Firefox browser on your computer. Click the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside Settings, look for the Import Data from another browser option. Here, you'll see Google Chrome listed, and the Extensions feature may already appear. If you don't see it, don't worry, we'll fix that. Open a new tab and type About, Config in the address bar. Accept the warning and click Continue. In the search bar, type the command that enables extension importing, then double-click it to change its value to True. Once that's done, go back to your Settings tab. The Extensions option will now appear under the Import menu. From here, you can select Chrome and import your desired extensions into Firefox. This method lets you legally and safely use Chrome extensions while enjoying Firefox's interface. Using NordVPN while downloading or installing extensions ensures your connection remains private and secure, especially if you're on public Wi-Fi. Using NordVPN while downloading or installing extensions ensures your connection remains private and secure, especially if you're on public Wi-Fi. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free for a great price.